Hi everyone. Now I am going to teach you how to scan your answer sheets and make it into a PDF. For that, we don't want to download any external apps. We can use our Google Drive itself for doing this. Now, let me show how to do this. For that, you have to tap on Google Drive icon. After that, you can see a plus symbol on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this. Now you can see a scan option. Tap on this. Now it is ready to take photo. Before taking photo, make sure that you have written your name, class, roll number, section, page number, everything, and question numbers. Then after confirming, you have to take photo. After that, you can see a tick mark. Tap on that. Now, if you want to crop, you can click this and you can crop this. Like this, you can crop if you want. If you don't want means you don't want to do this, you can skip this step. Then click on done option. Now you can see the page which we have taken is converted into a PDF. And again, if you want to continue this, that is second page is also there, means you have to take another photo, isn't it? For that, you can see a plus symbol on the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on this. Now, focus on the second page and make sure that you have written the page number and click for photo. Then tap on the tick symbol. Now we have to crop it properly, so click on crop option. Now the page is ready, so I am clicking on done. So you can see the page number is there, everything is there, so I am clicking on save option. Now it will be asking to give the document title. It will be there already, on default name will be there. Better you can give your name and your roll number for this and click on save. Wait for some time. It is uploading. After that, tap on the 3 lines at the top left corner and tap on recent. Now you can see our file which it is converted into a PDF. Tap on this and make sure that everything is clear, and you can click on this 3 dots and tap on send a copy and click on classroom, so it will be sent to the Google Classroom. That's all. Thank you for watching.